With over 750 million square feet of leasable space, RMZ EcoWorld is one of the largest IT parks in Bangalore. The property stands as a testament to RMZ Corp's vast experience in acquisitions as well as development of Grade A office spaces. Acquired just as the recession of 2008 and 10 was showing signs of abatement, the acquisition gave RMZ Corp a commanding position in the city's hottest location for IT/ITES spaces, namely the Outer Ring Road. One of the biggest challenges with EcoWorld was with respect to its sheer size. Over 3 million square feet was to be developed simultaneously. RMZ EcoWorld offers a plethora of amenities and services that emerge with 80,000 employees that enter EcoWorld every day. They are one of the reasons why RMZ EcoWorld is today one of the most sought after office space in the city. These include a large retail and F&B concourse, The Bay, a luxurious executive sports lounge, RMZ Active, Eco Deck, art galleries, amphitheatre and large green spaces with water bodies that provides an excellent environment to not only work but also rejuvenate the mind and body. Rentals in existing blocks at EcoWorld were low at about 28 to 32 rupees per square foot per month when RMZ started leasing the project. The team worked hard to overcome a tough challenge. The first lease was signed at 48 rupees per square foot per month in 2012, an increase of approximately 50 to 70% over the rentals prevailing in the property. Current leasing transactions hover between 65 to 70 rupees per square foot per month, more than 150% in the rentals just a couple of years. Today, RMZ EcoWorld commands a premium of almost 16 to 20% over comparable assets in the same micro market. RMZ has a strong relationship with its tenant at EcoWorld, such as Symantec, SAP, GE, Time Warner, State Street, RBS Bank, amongst others.
It's been a very active year for RMZ. We've been delivering to our defined objectives. Both investments and development have been critical for us over the years and shall continue to be. What's really striking is how much effect our actions have had. We've driven a substantial amount in increase in value over the last few years. RMZ Infinity Gurgaon, a very important and strategic located on National Highway 8 in Gurgaon market. RMZ Infinity Gurgaon marks our entry into North India market, which has a very high potential. RMZ Infinity, approximately 1 million square feet, on a very tactical location, gives a great gateway for an RMZ brand into Gurgaon. Having average lease rental, which is below the market rental, roughly around 80 rupees, the property has a great potential for yield enhancement. Second acquisition, a very tactical and an aspiring city that we've been trying to get into market. RMZ Corp most significant acquisition is Equinox Business Park, a 1.25 million square foot office space and at a very strategic location in heart of Mumbai Financial District, a place called Bandra Kurla Complex. Here too, like RMZ Infinity Gurgaon, there's an excellent scope for yield enhancement with the current micro market rentals hovering in the range of 250 to 350 rupees per square feet, when the existing average rental are approximately 150 to 160 rupees per square foot for this property. Therefore, gives a significant opportunity for us to leverage the brand and enhance the rentals from where it is today. Expanding our horizon throughout the country, the projects I mentioned are all set to be landmarks in global office space. So looking forward, we'll be seeing a lot of shift come through, and we believe that performance will be broadly generated through rental growth, and that is something we expect in coming years.